Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinning drum. For this craft, you will need a piece of cardboard, you'll need some kind of string or twine, yarn, anything like that. 2 small paper clips. You'll need a wooden skewer, a pencil or marker, some scissors, and some beads. To get started, cut a circle shape out of your cardboard. Use a stencil or something circular to draw a circle. I'm going to use this tape. Then, cut it out. Next, you'll notice there are holes when you look through some sides of your circle. See, like that? But other sides, there are no holes. Take your skewer and stick it into the middle of your cutout. Make sure you don't put it through the side with the holes. This might be hard to do, so you might want to ask for help. Alright, it's secure. Next, stick your paper clips into the middle of your cutout on either side. This is the side with the holes, so it'll be easier to get your paper clips in. Be sure not to put your paper clips all the way in. You want a little bit sticking out the side. Next, thread your yarn or twine through the part of the paper clip that is still exposed. Now pick out some beads and thread your beads onto your yarn. Then tie off the end so your beads won't come off. Make sure that you line up your yarn and beads so that they will actually hit the drum. You don't want them too long, otherwise they won't hit anything. Use scissors to trim off the excess yarn if you like. Repeat this step for the other paper clip. Next, draw a face or a picture on either side of your drum. This step is optional, but it's a lot of fun. When you're satisfied with how your drum looks, you're finished.